The Boelon Elegant Shower System with piano key design and LED atmosphere light stands out as a sophisticated addition to any modern bathroom. This review delves into its features, functionality, design, and overall performance. Design and aesthetics. One of the most striking features of the Boelon Elegant Shower System is its innovative piano key design. The control panel mimics the layout of piano keys, providing a unique and visually appealing interface. This design is not just for show. It enhances the user experience by offering intuitive and easy-to-use controls. The sleek, modern look fits seamlessly into contemporary bathroom decors. The LED atmosphere light is another highlight. Integrated into the shower head, this feature offers a soothing ambience, turning your shower into a relaxing retreat. The lights change color, which can be customized or set to rotate automatically, creating a spa-like experience at home. Functionality and performance. The Boelon shower system excels in functionality. It offers multiple spray settings, including rain shower, massage, mist, catering to different preferences and needs. The high-pressure shower head ensures a consistent and powerful water flow, which enhances the overall shower experience. Temperature control is precise, thanks to the thermostatic valve, which maintains the desired temperature steadily, avoiding sudden changes that can lead to discomfort. The system also includes a handheld shower head, providing flexibility and convenience for different uses, such as rinsing or cleaning the shower area. Installation and maintenance. Installing the Boelon Elegant Shower System is relatively straightforward, especially for those with some DIY experience. The package includes detailed instructions and all necessary hardware. However, professional installation is recommended for those unfamiliar with plumbing work to ensure optimal functionality and safety. Maintenance is hassle-free due to the high-quality materials used. The shower system is made from durable, corrosion-resistant stainless steel, which ensures longevity. The LED lights are energy efficient and long-lasting, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Regular cleaning with mild soap and water keeps the system looking new and functioning efficiently. Pros and cons. Pros. Innovative design. The piano key design and LED atmosphere lights provide a unique and luxurious shower experience. Versatile spray settings. Multiple spray options cater to various preferences. Consistent water pressure. High-pressure shower head delivers a powerful and satisfying shower. Thermostatic control ensures stable and comfortable water temperature. Cons. Installation complexity. While manageable for some, the installation may require professional assistance. Cost. The advanced features and premium materials come at a higher price point compared to basic shower systems. Conclusion. The Boelon Elegant Shower System with piano key design and LED atmosphere light is an excellent investment for those looking to upgrade their bathroom with a touch of luxury and modern technology. Its combination of aesthetic appeal, advanced functionality, and ease of use makes it a standout choice. Despite the potential need for professional installation and a higher initial cost, the long-term benefits and enhanced shower experience justify the investment. If you are seeking a stylish and feature-rich shower system, the Boelon Elegant Shower System is highly recommended. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. What should be the price after verifying the right product quality, and what is the customer's demand? If you want to know product details or prices or need any other kind of information, please comment below. Any issue, stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much easier.